Part 2 of being in my backyard. Let's see how this goes. And I'm just gonna do a bunch of random stuff this time, instead of only doing about the chickens. Most of the times it's gonna be about the chickens. Oh yeah, let me show you something. So, they go up there, and if they leave, they know that they won't get free food. But they just come over here so they can get over the fence and go over here. They don't actually leave for some reason. They look like they hate us, well, except for Gwen and some of the gray ones and Ruby. But those black ones and that guy, they hate us. Bonnie hates us. That's the only gray chicken that they actually don't like her. But now, I'm just going to go inside the chicken coop. That's my inflatable water park. Okay, so we have Old Grandma, Ruby, Mary Kate, Ashley, the older chickens that we have and the ones that we've been having for like 2 years. And those are the small ones. First, we have Princess Blackbird. We have Derica. I still don't remember her name. We have Karen. You're my favorite. All of them are girls except for Starper. The one that pecks this guy, that guy. You're gonna jump back over, aren't you? Come on, come over here. Baka! You're not the king. You have to stop copying him. The real, leader of the chicken group is Old Grandma. Not you. She can't even be up there because she's too old. Wait, let me see if we got any eggs. Yeah, we got 3. What about in here? Oh, we got 1. Finally, we got 1 in here. That was the second one that we've got in here since, I don't know, start of summer. Just so you know, I'm in Crestview. If any of you have, not started summer for a while. If you fall back, that's your fault. Because you're not going to get any free food. You hear that? Hear that? Derica, I think that was her name. I know it started with a D or a B. Oh yeah, later today it was windy, right? And wait, let me open this. It was so windy that door came open, and I thought all of the chickens would go out, but no, it was so windy that they could carry an entire cat pet holder and put it right there so they can't jump over it. And this was opened, and it was so windy and rainy that whenever I tried to close it, it was all the way over there. It was wide open, and I was whenever I got it in the right angle, then I bring him back inside. That's really what happened. So, this is my inflatable water park. I will show you guys that in a future video. But for now, let's just talk about my park. So this is my baby brother's lawnmower. Our hammock. Our hammock doesn't have the top part. This is our rig to keep that open whenever we actually allow them to get out. Stumped my toe. going to hand feed them. One of the mean ones. Well, the ones that don't actually want to be mean. Starper actually wants to be mean. I'm going to grab a very long mealworm like this. This one. I think our neighbor has... Well, our neighbor over there. I don't really know what a neighbor is. I think it's the house across from you, not beside you, right? Pretty sure that's what it is. Okay, I'm going to grab this mealworm, okay? Go over here. Get off me, fly. They attract so many flies. And then I will hand feed them. Okay, whoever gets it, gets it. Okay, I am scared. Whoever can no! My mealworm. You guys aren't gonna get this. You have so much tomatoes in there. They ate the blackberries and the strawberries, but they haven't really eaten that much tomatoes. Let's see. I'm scared. I know I shouldn't be because they can't pick me. Here you go, Ruby. No, I'm giving it to Ruby. Get out of here. Here you go, Ruby. Fine, whoever gets it first gets it. Here you go, Ruby. Get it. Yes, Ruby got it. Okay. Yeah, she just got back in. So, wait. There are these things. Okay, I'm just going to talk about what's inside there because there's not even anything out here that I can show except for the chickens. If I zoom in, you can probably see them. Yeah, I can see a little bit. So, I have a music box. Here's Ferdinand. My favorite basketball. Wait. This is my personal basketball. Only me and my cousin can use it since she actually likes basketball. We need to dust it off. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Okay, well, that's basically all I had to show you. Oh yeah, we have a fan right here. If you look close enough, you can actually see it's a humidifier. Look at this. Oh, it feels so good. And we have an old grandma swing. I sometimes bring the chickens in here. Oh yeah, do you want to see me catch one of them? We'll do that later. The most easiest to catch is mostly either Ruby, Bonnie, or maybe Karen. Oh yeah, Karen is... Well, Ruby thinks that Karen is her daughter, but no, they don't even have a bloodline. I'm just gonna put basketball right there. Okay, when did you get out? There a second ago, Karen. Okay. They're so cute. Wait, let me hold her. Hold her. No. No going under the shed. Not this time. No, Karen. No. And now I have to put it back in the coop. Thanks, Karen. Hey, I'm trying to bring you back in the coop. Go back. Karen. Hold on, wait, I have to skip this. They treat her like royalty. I think Ruby is like the princess. I don't know why, but Karen and Ruby always get addicted to each other. For some reason. Okay, well. If you understood that, leave a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, bye.